We're going to use a free photographer's portfolio website template to build the dog breeder website with, and this video is part of my free guide. The free website template which we're going to use is the Duke template from SmugMug. Now this template is a photographer's portfolio website template, but it works absolutely perfect for my show dogs. Now with SmugMug, you can try it free for 14 days, and when you are on the free trial, you can try out the templates. And there is a link in the description below to a discount off SmugMug. Now this template Duke, it has a white sticky header at the top, which means it stays in place when you scroll up. The colours of the template are as they come, apart from the orange accent colour on the buttons and the links. Now how SmugMug works is you basically choose your front page, you choose the design, which is the colours throughout the website, and then they have 10 pre-made pages which you can choose then to add to the website, and you can have as many pages as you like. Now I've created a blog within this website, and I've used the banner pricing page, and then for the blog pages I've just used a custom page, which is a blank page where you drag and drop your photos and your text, your writing on the website. For the dogs and the dog show news, I've used the page type pricing again, but this time list. Now this works so well for the dog show news, so it's pricing, list, and then you almost get 10 goes. This is for photographers to advertise their services and the products, what they offer, put a photo in, change the writing, you can delete anything you don't need, and also add in other content blocks, which creates a really tidy looking page. Also within the website you can stretch the page to full width, so you can display your photos really well. You can add in any content blocks you like, and you can customize the colours to suit your photos, your style of photography or type of dogs you've got. Also I've added a slideshow on Gertie's page. There's 48 photos you can have in one of the SmugMug slideshows or the carousel, or multiple photos. I've added a video on a page as well. Now on a mobile phone, this Duke template works really well. That's the SmugMug carousel. You can have 48 photos in there. It just looks so clean and tidy. The website does. It's nice and clear on my mobile phone. There's links to all the dogs pages, and then the link to that blog page. The reason I used the banners for the blog page is because I wanted it to look totally different to the news pages. We've got the puppies page. This is the most popular page on my website. This is a custom page, a blank page. There's just a big photo at the top, and then the SmugMug carousel with photos in. I've added some writing, but yeah, everybody what comes to my website hits on that page. And we've got the news pages. Now what I've done there, it's a slideshow, so I've deleted the photo off the original template and then just dragged in a slideshow, and the same with the video, deleted the photo and dragged in a video, and it just makes it really clean and tidy. So on the desktop we've got all those news pages. Now to get that template, if you're in where all your photos are stored, in the unlimited photo storage, you want photo site, which will take you to the home page of the website. You want the 3 dots, it'll bring the drop down, and you want new site design, and that will take you through to all the free templates which are available with SmugMug. And you want Duke, and what you want to do is preview the design, and then in the top right corner choose this design, and then you want to customize, or you can publish now. I do have a step-by-step guide how to build a dog breeder website, which is a step-by-step guide using the Duke template from SmugMug. I'll put the link in the description below to that page. It's on my photography website, and there'll also be a link to a discount from SmugMug.